Hi everyone, welcome to Vocal Academy. See this problem. You know how to find nth derivative for a given function that is x plus 3 upon x minus 1 into x plus 2. How can you find it? But it was not in the standard form. So first of all, we need to convert into standard form. So when you observe carefully here, in the numerator, degree is 1 is there. For denominator, degree is 2. So numerator degree is 1 means less than denominator. So we can easily apply first fractions. So by applying first fractions, we get into two fractions. So first of all, we get two fractions. For that, assume that there is some constant a upon the two factors are there. So one is x minus 1 plus some constant b upon x plus 2. So like this is the first step. Now take LCM here. We will get x minus 1 into x plus 2. Now cross multiply here, becomes a into x plus 2. Means this term will be cancelled by with x plus 1 with x plus 2. So that's why a into x plus 2. Next plus. Next this term will be cancelled by x plus 2 with x plus 1. X minus 1. So x minus 1 into b. And LHS x plus 3 upon x minus 1 into x plus 2 is there. So denominator will be cancelled on both sides. Then we get x plus 3 equal to expand it. So ax plus 2a plus bx minus b. So from this we get, so bring x term common here. So x into a plus b plus 2a minus b, thus b equal to an LHS, that is x plus 3. Now by comparing on LHS and RHS, x coefficient is a plus b. That is a plus b equal to 1. Now constant, that is 3 equal to 2a minus b. That consider this equation 1 and this is equation 2. By simplifying 1 and 2, we get a equal to 4 by 3 and b got minus 1 by 3. So this equation can be written as like this. Substitute a value and b value here. So then we get a is 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 upon x minus 1 plus and b is minus 1 by 3 upon x plus 2. So it becomes 4 by 3 into 1 by x minus 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 2. Now apply nth derivative because we want nth derivative. So this is the equivalent for this function. So here nth derivative is. In the next step, apply nth derivative for this term. So here 4 by 3 constant for this term. Keep it all 3